Let's start from the scratch. What is UI/UX designing? UI, or user interface, refers to the aesthetic aspects of a product or service, such as what color the product needs, what type of font style will look good, the buttons, the layout, graphic design, visual designs, and so on. In simple words, it's all about the look, presentation, and the interactivity of an application. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine walking into a cafe or restaurant. You see the menu layout, the color scheme, the type of plates and glasses used, the presentation of the food, etc. It's everything that visually communicates the brand and the experience to the customer. In our case, let's take an application. An UI designer is responsible for apps, color, font, buttons, animations, icons, images, and so on. UX, or user experience, is about how the product or service works. In simple words, it's about the functionality and efficiency of the product, and how easy and enjoyable it is for the user to interact with. Let's take a real-life example. In a restaurant, this would be the process of ordering food, the speed and quality of service, the taste of the food, the comfort of the seating, the cleanliness of the restaurant, etc. It's everything that affects the customer's overall experience. In our case, the UX designer is responsible for the functionality of the app, including the speed, the intuitiveness, clear navigation, responsive design, consistent design, interactive elements, testing, and so on. What are the tools that we use for UI/UX designing? The common tools are Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, and so on. If you are a beginner, my advice is to start with Figma. Figma is a free, open-source software, and it is beginner-friendly. Is UI/UX a good career? Yes, it definitely is. UI/UX is a solid and growing career path, set to remain in high demand as the field of applications continues to expand in the future. As per the current reports, UI/UX designers of freshers are getting an average salary of 5 LPA to 8 LPA, depending on your skill. Let's summarize. So, to put it all together, if you walk into a restaurant and you're immediately impressed by the beautiful decor, the well-designed menu, and the attractive food presentation, that's good UI. If you also find that the restaurant is easy to navigate, the service is fast and friendly, the food tastes great, and you leave feeling satisfied and happy, that's good UX. In the context of digital products, UI/UX design works the same way. Both are crucial for creating a product that not only looks good, but also works well and meets the user's needs.